Hello to this year's Codegeist submission, GIT, an integration to streamline PR reviews, enhance collaboration, and to keep your developers aligned. But to better understand why we need it, imagine the following scenario. Ben is a passionate developer who loves building cool features, but dreads the part where he has to wait forever for his pull requests to get reviewed. It's frustrating when days or even weeks go by, and he has to nudge his co-workers repeatedly to check his work. Then, when they finally do, he hears, "Sorry Ben, we can't merge this, it has conflicts." Tom, on the other hand, is a senior developer and project manager. He's juggling multiple tasks, trying to keep track of the team's progress. Sometimes he has no idea what stage an issue is at. Is it still in review? Did Ben finish his work? Has it been merged? The back and forth is exhausting. One day, Tom finds a tool called GIT, a pull request accountability integration for Jira and GitHub. He decides to give it a shot. With GIT, things change overnight. When Ben creates a pull request, GIT immediately assigns a reviewer and notifies them, so no more awkward reminders or waiting around for days. Also, GIT sends scheduled follow-ups if the review isn't done on time, ensuring accountability. On the Jira issue, Ben and Tom can both see who's responsible for reviewing the latest review status and even pull request comments. Everything is synchronized and crystal clear, so no communication gets lost. No more guessing, no more confusion, and no more juggling multiple tools. So, the result. Ben's pull requests are reviewed faster than ever, Tom knows exactly what's happening without having to chase down details, and the seamless integration of pull request comments into Jira ensures that every bit of critical communication stays in one place. GIT, helping developers and project managers work smarter, not harder. So next time you're wondering how to make pull requests painless and keep communication seamless, just GIT. Hello and welcome to the demo part of GIT. Here we will have a quick look on how it utilizes Forge, and then we will have a quick run through the setup and how everything works. So, first of all, GIT is completely built on top of Forge, so all the data is stored on Forge, and the application that you can see here is also run on Forge. Also, stuff like email notifications are sent through Jira directly. And yes, then the only third party that we have is GitHub, because it's a GitHub integration. And then the mapping of the GitHub installation with the correct instance, so that I can redirect the stuff to the correct instance. Yeah, so now let's have a look at the setup. It's pretty simple. You will come to this screen in Jira. And here you can then install or configure your GitHub app. I installed it already. So to get to the setup screen of the GitHub site, we have to install it or change the configuration. And when we are here, we have to enter this webhook URL, and this is the installation or the linking of the two apps. Next, we can define a filter so that you can have a quick filter that shows all the tickets assigned to you, but also the ones where you are a reviewer. Then next, we have to create some project repository mappings, so which project should be listened to which repository. Then some Jira to GitHub user mappings, and then configuring the notifications. After this is done, we can have a look at a little demo issue, in this case GIT 7. So we will create a little demo pull request with the key in the branch name, so git -7 demo, and then we create the pull request. After we created the pull request, we can assign a reviewer, and then we will see that the issue itself is transitioned and the correct reviewer is assigned. The same now if we, let's say, do a little review. Yes, we will also see that the review comment here, now we can see it. And then finally, if we merge the pull request, we will also see that the issue is then transitioned to done. And yeah, this is basically the integration. So after you configured it once, it will always run along and you do not have to do anything anymore. So I think that's pretty neat.